Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create speed ramps with motion blur in Adobe Premiere Pro for dynamic effects. First, select the video clip to which you want to apply the speed ramp and place it on the timeline. Right-click the FX icon in the upper left corner of the video. Choose time remapping and speed. Use a pen tool to pinpoint the starting and ending spots of the speed ramp. Then use the selection tool mouse to adjust the speed of the ramp. There are two ways to make the transition for the speed ramp smoothly. The first one is to adjust the transition of the video layer itself from the start and stopping spots. The second one uses the motion blur. Head over to the effect panel and search for transform. Apply it to the video layer. In the effects controls panel, uncheck use composition shutter angle and increase the shutter angle to 180 degrees or more. This will add motion blur to the speed of ramp transitions. Preview your clip to see the speed ramp with motion blur. Adjust the shutter angle and keyframes as needed to achieve the desired effect. And that's how you create speed ramps with motion blur in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.